We all know that feeling. You've got company coming over in an hour, the house is a mess, and you're desperately wondering how to clean everything fast without spending a fortune. What if I told you there's a way to make cleaning quick, effective, and affordable? Today, I'm going to show you how to clean like a pro using products that you probably already have at home. Let's dive into the world of easy and accessible cleaning tricks that will save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. First up, let's talk about your kitchen. You know, the heart of the home, and often the hardest place to keep clean. But here's a game changer: baking soda. Yes, you heard that right. This simple, inexpensive product can clean your stove, your countertops, even your sink. Just sprinkle a little on a damp cloth, wipe away, and voila! Stains, grease, and grime gone. Now let's move on to the bathroom. It's probably the room we dread cleaning the most, right? But with a few accessible products, it doesn't have to be a nightmare. Grab a bottle of white vinegar. It's not just for cooking, it's a powerhouse cleaner too. For stubborn soap scum in the shower, spray some vinegar, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it off. Trust me, it'll be like magic. And for your mirrors? Well, you don't need to buy expensive glass cleaners. Grab a bottle of rubbing alcohol. It's an affordable, powerful cleaner that leaves your mirrors streak-free and sparkling. Plus, it dries fast, so you won't have to worry about those annoying streaks. Finally, let's talk about your floors. If you're looking for a natural, affordable way to clean them, grab some essential oils. A few drops of lemon or lavender oil in a mop bucket filled with warm water will not only leave your floors shining, but also fill the whole room with a fresh, pleasant scent. No need for harsh chemicals or expensive products. In just a few minutes, you've tackled your kitchen, bathroom, and floors, all with affordable, easy-to-find products. With a little bit of effort and a few smart tricks, you can make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a breeze. So, next time you're in a pinch, remember, you don't need to break the bank to have a clean, beautiful home.